Occupational risk prevention is not only a technical or organizational matter, it is also a legal obligation. Companies are required to protect workers from occupational risks, organize prevention properly, assess workplace hazards, provide information and training, plan preventive measures, and keep the necessary documentation. In Spain, the core legal text is Law 31/1995 of 8 November on occupational risk prevention. This law establishes the general framework for protecting workers' safety and health at work. It defines the rights of workers, the duties of employers, the basic principles of preventive action, the organization of prevention, participation mechanisms, and the possible responsibilities derived from non-compliance. The consolidated legal text is maintained by the BOE and was last updated on 9th April 2026. The objective of this module is to help learners understand the basic legal structure of occupational risk prevention, not as a set of abstract rules, but as a practical system that affects daily work. How risks are assessed, who is responsible, what workers must do, what documents must exist, and what consequences may arise if prevention is not properly managed.